mission.
Happy Earth Day. It's celebrated every April 22nd, and it was created in the U.S. to increase public awareness of environmental problems. Well, now it's actually celebrated every year by more than 1 billion people in 180 nations. And Earth Day is credited with actually starting the environmental movement here in the U.S. And the first Earth Day was actually back in 1970. What do you know? Earth Day today, and a lot of people taking notice, I think.
Exactly, and again, I know a lot of people on Earth Day like to plant trees or even plants, but if you are doing that, it's going to be a very, very cold night tonight.
Yeah.
We're tracking temperatures back near 30 degrees.
Oh
so
boy, we don't want to hear those again, but maybe hold off just a week or so, I think is what most people are saying.
Yeah, hold off just one more week because it looks like temperatures will be better by next week, and even those overnight lows back into the 40s as opposed to the 30-degree temperatures overnight tonight. So definitely we'll need the jacket, the heavier jacket for tonight. But right now what we're not tracking really anything in the way of any precipitation. Right now that system has moved on eastward, and we're just tracking some partly cloudy conditions to start out your Tuesday. So as we take a closer look to right around Michiana on our ABC 57 first warning live Doppler radar, like I mentioned, we are in the clear of any precipitation to start out our Tuesday. That's going to remain the same as we head out through the rest of your Tuesday into our Tuesday night. Just going to be very cold for tonight. Right now, though, we are starting a little bit colder than we saw yesterday morning, especially in the northwestern parts of Michiana. 40 degrees right now in Benton Harbor, 45 degrees in South Bend, but where we're still seeing that cloud cover, that's where those temperatures are a little bit warmer. 61 degrees right now in Rochester. That's probably going to be the high for today just because those temperatures will be dropping back down into the 50s as we head out through the rest of your Tuesday. Visibility, though, is also another factor this morning, a little bit lower in our eastern counties. Just 2.5 mile visibility in Sturgis, 5 miles in Goshen. So take it easy on the roadways as you're heading into work this morning in those areas where we're seeing that fog. Bus stop forecast, 42 degrees for the kids at the bus stop, so not quite as cold as what we're going to be seeing for tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning is when you're really going to be needing that heavy jacket. Hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of the morning. Temperatures dropping just a little bit as we head into sunrise. 44 degrees by 7 a.m. And even into 8 a.m. 43 degrees still by 9 a.m. We're going to be warming up into the lower 50s today, and then a very cold night ahead. I'll take you through your 10-day forecast coming up in just a couple of minutes. Emily?
Thank you, Jackie.